Today's feature is on the latest Tomica TLVN, the pair of Lexus IS200. The Lexus is the very first for TLVN, and what's unique, they are Hong Kong exclusive, unavailable in Japan and in other parts of Asia. Two color variant in this series in silver and white, and coming from TLV, it's no doubt the craftsmanship is superb. Box design is unconventional from your usual TLV box. It showcases the close-up of the Lexus IS in illustration form. User mounting parts is included and is marked as a Hong Kong exclusive. The Hong Kong exclusive label is also marked on the flap as well. User mounting parts, which I'm not going to install it. The Lexus IS is a very stunning model. Details on the front is superb, especially the grille and the Lexus badge. I really like the impeccable details on the headlights. It really pimps up the realism factor. The whole casting looks premium and elegant, true to the Lexus brand. Realistic wheel sets with suspension that rolls extremely well. Side mirror is already pre-installed. Similar to the front, lots of details on the rear. Can't really see the Lexus badge and the marking against the silver paint. Blank car plate, and I like the details on the exhaust as well. Metal base, which is the standard for all the TLV casting. I really like the details on the rubber tires. Next, the 99 Lexus IS200 in white. Same packaging and details as the previous version, it's just a difference in color. User mounting parts included. This casting is equally stunning as the silver. However, I'll prefer in pearl white, other than the flat white that is showcased. The details really pops out against the white paint job. Standard suspension with side mirror that is also included. Similar impressive details, and we can see the marking for the Lexus badge and the IS. And viewing this casting in extreme close-ups has its merit. This Lexus IS200 in white is equally stylish as the one in silver. The launch of the Lexus is a very good call by Tomica, and being a Hong Kong exclusive, I have no doubt this casting will be highly sought after, and it's a very nice addition to my TLV collection. Stay tuned for more TLVN unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye!